Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Before we discuss about today's topic, I want to discuss why we talk too many things, not too many things, but this 3 video in regarding to the clinical error, how clinician treating a patient. It's important to understand those error in trial because it's going to be beneficial to you when you start dealing with your client and patient. And that link to our next discussion. We want to start to talk about a little bit of empirical experiment, clinical trial information, and that's important to our practice. And we will also start to talk more about evidence-based practice in terms of the treatment and how those evidence-based practice can help us enhance our treatment to our mental health patient. And we'll talk about 2 points of view to begin with. This is something that you're probably learning from your school. So there are 2 types of viewpoint in regarding to the ethical challenging for the clinician, and one is called Samaritan, the other one is called societal. So the difference between those 2, I think you guys already know, so I'm not gonna go over and explain to that. But I want to give you guys an interest fact about those 2 viewpoints. So on the Samaritan viewpoint, the clinician can be sued for malpractice, for harming a patient. But from societal point of view, the clinician can publish highly misleading study at no personal risk. And if you want to find out why, you can go ahead and do your research. I just want to point out a little bit about these differences. In terms of doing evidence-based practice, we collect a lot of population and sampling. We do have control and comparison group, and we also conduct a lot of randomization. And this is just to ensure that all the empirical evidence study has been, processed, and the treatment protocol can be correct. So that's the reason that we collect so many things at the same time. And the last thing I want to talk about during today's video is something to deal with the mental health, but it's important to talk about it because it's called systematic review. And the reason I want to discuss about this is because does have a clear objective and to answer the specific research. And the one we need to talk more about is meta-analysis. So meta-analysis, the advantage about the meta-analysis is this particular study collect a lot of multiple trial, and then everything can be more accuracy if you look at it this way. But the disadvantage is when you collect so many things at the same time, sometimes the result of the summary may not be correct, and versus some like empirical practice only focus on one item and you'll get exactly what the outcome of the treatment. But for meta-analysis is like you put bunch of the fruit together, and sometimes the outcome may be vary. So thank you for tuning to my channel today. If you enjoyed today's channel, feel free to subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video.